Welcome back to Solving Factory. Let's find out how you can add pronoun roles on Discord. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button. So let's get started. Open the Discord app and select the server on the left side. Tap on the three dots at the top right, then go to Settings. Tap on Roles and create a new role by typing its name, for example, subscriber, and choosing a color. Save it. Optionally, create other roles like moderator and then add members to the roles as needed. For the pronoun role, tap on it, turn on display separately, and choose a color, adjust permissions, and add members. And that's how you create pronoun roles on Discord. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.